For the NOVA Redline series machine, the power supply is located here. First, remove the side cover panel. Then unplug the machine's power cord from the back of the machine. After that, disconnect the red high voltage wire from the glass tube. Again, don't put your hand inside to avoid any risk from residual electricity. Next, cut the zip tie that secured the red high voltage wire and slowly pull the wire out along its original routing path. Then disconnect the black power connector on the left side and unplug the white terminal block. After that, remove these two screws here. Now on the right side, first loosen the black low voltage wire knob on the top. Then remove the low voltage wire together with the circular metal ring terminal. After that, remove the remaining two screws. And the entire power supply can be taken off. Our after-sales team will provide you with a new power supply together with a pre-installed red high voltage wire. Next is the installation process. First, place the new power supply back into position. Use one hand to hold the power supply while reinstalling the upper and the lower screws on the left side. Then reinstall the two screws on the right side. After that, put the copper ring terminal block in place. Reconnect the low voltage wire and tighten the black knob securely. Next, reconnect the black power connector on the left side. Plug the white terminal block back in and route the red high voltage wire back along its original path. Secure it with zip tie. Then reconnect the red high voltage wire. Finally, plug the machine back into the power outlet. Alright, that's all for today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Ran from Aeon Laser. See you next time. Bye bye.